This short tutorial will show you how to add the Screener 19 to your Android phone home screen. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Chrome browser and open the page Screener 19. I've already opened it many times, so the predictive text is going to find it. You may have to type the whole thing in. Once you're at screener19.com, you can click the three dots and select Add to Home Screen. And then you can rename it if you want. I'm going to leave it as Screener 19, and I'm going to click Add. And then it gives you the instructions to touch and hold the icon and tap Add. And now it is a part of my home screen, and I can take it and long press it and move it to wherever I want. Maybe I want it here. And then when it's time for me to sign in to campus, all I need to do is open that, and it will take me to Screener 19, and I can sign in with my Google account, my school Google account. The first time you sign in, you're going to have to, if it's not the default, you're going to have to sign in with your district account, and then you can complete the form and be ready to enter campus.